For today's assignment, Part 2, you will now review your notes and sources that you read yesterday and completed yesterday, and plan, draft, revise, and edit your writing. You may use your notes and go back to the sources. Now read your assignment and the information about how your writing will be scored, then begin your work. Your assignment. When your class returns from the library, your classmates begin to share what they learned about the reasons people eat bugs. They also begin to discuss some of the reasons people choose not to eat bugs. Some students agree that bugs should be added to the school lunch menu, and some students disagree with this idea. They want to keep the school lunch menu bug-free. Your teacher asks you to write a paper explaining your opinion. In your paper, you will take a side as to whether you agree that bugs should be added to the school lunch menu or disagree that they should be added. Your paper will be read by the school board, your teacher, and your classmates. Make sure you clearly state your opinion and write several paragraphs supporting your opinion with reasons and details from the sources. Develop your ideas clearly and use your own words, except when quoting directly from the sources. Be sure to give the source title or number for the details or facts you use. Remember, a well-written opinion paper has a clear opinion, is well organized and stays on the topic, has an introduction and conclusion, uses transitions, uses details or facts from the sources to support your opinion, puts the information from the sources in your own words, except when using direct quotations from the sources, gives the title or number of the source for the details or facts you included, develops ideas clearly, uses clear language, follows rules of writing, spelling, punctuation, and grammar usage. Now begin work on your opinion paper. Manage your time carefully so that you can 1. Plan your opinion paper, 2. Write your opinion paper, 3. Revise and edit the final draft of your opinion paper.